Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I won a giveaway that was on here by Juni, I can't pronounce her name. Anyway, I'm sure a lot of you would have seen, she got them some stuff while she was on holidays down in Melbourne, and she said she'd have a giveaway if anybody made a comment, and she put their name in it, and I did win it. So there you go. I did win the giveaway, so that's very nice of you, Jen. And she actually lives in Queensland. She went on a holiday. Oh boy, thank you so much. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh crikey. Doesn't want to leave the bag. Maybe I'm... Oh, goodies everywhere. There's lots of goodies here. Goodies falling out everywhere. Thank you so much, Juni. Juni, Juni. JD, I think they call her, I don't know. I think they do, because her name's Juni Desiree, that's it. Yes. I've got little cottons. I do love little cotton reels. Thank you very much. I've got some of this, look at that. Wow. Oh, this is good. This has got a nice fleck, gold or silver fruit, you know, isn't that nice? You like that? Wow. Oh, I'll be using some of that in my journals and things. That's really cool. I'll be using some of all of it, I'm sure. Oh, there's another piece. Wow, this is nice. Thank you so much for sharing this with me. That's very kind of you. Look at that. Now we'll cut that out and put it on the page. Use it for one of those flip things. Flip up. And a piece of the curtaining sort of stuff. Do like these because they're really nice, because you can see through it, like it's the holy bits. I really like them, so that's a very nice one, thank you. And one of these doilies, oh, that's cool. This Battenberg lace, I'm sure that's what that's called. That's very nice, isn't it? Yes, that's an idea. Could go on a page, I suppose, or maybe something I can do. Little bags. I always use little bags. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, look at this. This is interesting. Oh, you must tear that off and that sticks on you. Oh, isn't that cool? My puppy hand, sorry. Oh, I do like these ones. These are neat, aren't they? Oh, wow. They're really neat. I do like them. I do like all of this stuff. And a CD case. It's got two compartments, one in the front, I've got two of those. Oh, you never know what you might use. You never know. There's so many different things we can use in our journals. This is pretty. I wonder if you can still buy these. You probably could. The CD case. It's in purple. That'd look nice in the journals too, wouldn't it? With a place to put your tag down in there. And I've got 4 of these, nice colours. Pretty beautiful colours, they're just the sort of thing I like to use. And I've got this, wow. Look at that. I haven't shown you this properly. Isn't that glary? It's got a really... And open it here. One of those resealable bags. Oh, I wonder what I'll do with that. Anyway, there'll be an idea. It'll be really cool for something, won't it? Really cool. I do like that. Thank you. And I've got one of these cellophane bags. That's good for putting something in if you're going to send out a bit of mail. These are nice. I like this paper. Whoops, caught it. Look at this paper. This is really neat, isn't it? I might put this in my journal and I'm making at the moment. This paper. This is really nice. It's like you can, something like you can nearly see through. It's hard to describe. I've not seen anything like that. That's really neat. That is. I'm sure there's heaps of things out there I can see. And this is cool. Look at that. It's got grid on it and it's got a grid on it. And it's a piece of, what do you call it? It's like a tracing paper or something. I'm going to have to set it down in there because I don't want the wind to blow it away. Oh, look at these. I never find anything like this. This is really interesting. From Christchurch in New Zealand. So these would be good for good junk journal. Look at that. I'll be able to put that part. There's a writing bit. Look, Sonia. I was talking about this yesterday. Needed to find some blank junk that I could write on. Not junk, sorry. I don't mean it like that. You know, bits that you can write on and put them in your junk journals. Yeah, this is what you want, isn't it? Yes, it is. Sensitivity microvolts. Interesting. This must be some sort of machinery of some sort. And then there's this one. I've got a lot of these papers. Thank you very much. There's enough here for me to make a journal, isn't there? They're all, these ones are all, you know, just different versions of these. Really cool. Thank you so much for them, Juni. They're very nice, very nice. Lovely. Oh, look at this. Nice paper and paper. A beautiful rose on that. Look at that. So you can write a letter. Really nice. Put it in your journal. This is nice too. Maybe these are ones that you put in there too, because I don't know if I've seen you, if you bought these, but you might have just added these for me. Thank you so much for that. I know how you're going to have to read them before you use them. I should do that too. After she seen what Bonnie had something she forgot to read. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at the elephant. Oh, wow. He's having a lovely time in the kitchen. Look at the mess he's making. Aren't these neat? These are really cool, these papers. Thank you so much for these. Look, I've got an Indian cat. Oh, thank you. That's really nice, isn't it? Thank you very much. And then I've got a Assemble Your Fashions. Oh, okay. So that's out of out of a book. You make your fashion designs and things. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Thank you very much, Juni. That's very nice of you. Sorry if I'm not saying your name properly. Thank you very much for sharing those things that you've got with me. They're really, really nice, and I really appreciate that, and thank you for letting me have the chance to win these. And thank you everybody for watching. And Juni's only a bit new on here too, I think. She's been on here a while, and she does really good stuff as well. So you need to go over and check out her channel. And I will leave it in the description. I will leave it in the description box. I know every time I go to do it, I make the video. It could be hours before I put it up, and then I forget about what I'm supposed to be doing. But anyway, so thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.